Have you ever wondered if using Zippay to make purchases could impact your credit score? Many people are curious about this, especially those who are looking to build or improve their credit. Imagine this scenario. You need a new laptop for work but don't have the funds up front. You decide to use Zippay to make the purchase. A few months later, you're applying for a home loan or a credit card only to be denied. Could Zippay be the culprit? Zippay is a popular buy now, pay later (BNPL) service that allows you to make purchases and pay them off in installments. While it can be a convenient way to spread out payments, many people are concerned about how it might affect their credit. The short answer is, Zippay can affect your credit rating, but it depends on a few factors. How Zippay reports to credit bureaus. Unlike traditional credit cards, Zippay doesn't report your payment history to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. However, it does report to a specialized credit bureau called Experian Boost. This means that your Zippay payment history can still impact your credit score, but in a more limited way. Factors that affect your credit score. Several factors can influence how Zippay affects your credit score. On-time payments. Consistently making your Zippay payments on time can positively impact your credit score. Missed payments. Missing payments can negatively affect your credit score. Amount of debt. The amount of debt you have compared to your credit limit can also impact your credit score. Length of credit history. A longer credit history can improve your credit score. The benefits of using Zippay responsibly. If you use Zippay responsibly, it can actually help improve your credit score. Here's how. Building a credit history. If you have a limited credit history, using Zippay can help you build it. Improving your credit utilization. By using Zippay and making on-time payments, you can improve your credit utilization ratio, which is another factor that affects your credit score. Avoiding high-interest debt. Zippay often offers lower interest rates than traditional credit cards, which can help you avoid high-interest debt. Tips for using Zippay wisely. To minimize the potential negative impact on your credit score, follow these tips. Use Zippay responsibly. Only use Zippay for purchases you can afford to pay off. Make on-time payments. Always make your Zippay payments on time. Monitor your credit score. Regularly check your credit score to see how Zippay is affecting it. Consider alternative options. If you're concerned about how Zippay might affect your credit score, consider other options, such as traditional credit cards or personal loans. While Zippay can affect your credit rating, the impact is often minimal, especially if you use it responsibly. By understanding how Zippay works and following the tips we've discussed, you can use this service to your advantage without harming your credit score. If you're considering using Zippay or are already a Zippay user, it's important to be aware of how it can affect your credit. By understanding the factors involved and taking steps to use Zippay wisely, you can make informed decisions about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.